Welcome everybody. Uh, Welcome to this vlog. My name is Henry. For those who don't know, I run a company. We're building distributed infrastructure as a service company, where we provide key application on top of our infrastructure to service SMEs, but also to bridge the digital gap for the end user. And today I want to talk about a very interesting topic, which is AI. I know. Everybody's talking about it. There's nothing I can add personally to the traditional conversation around AI. And traditionally now, today, AI models, machine learnings, and all that aspect is done on the cloud. That's what most of the topic is about, which is great. I mean, it requires a lot of, especially when you build a new model, process that data that you collect. It requires a lot of processing power and GPUs, and that's why you see all the conversation. But what's very interesting, which very few people are talking about, is AI at the edge infrastructure, and that's the area we're working on. And we're about to start building AI tools for people that want to build, smaller models at the edge. And why is that important? Edge infrastructure is not new. We started edge infrastructure or building this technology initially with our previous company, which was kiosk based. So we were using edge to host content. That was the only things, host content on the edge and distribute it via Wi-Fi. But what we found out after COVID and the demand of infrastructure, edge infrastructure, especially with the coming of 5G and 6G in the future, edge infrastructure is about to be the next big things, for sure. So we had to rebuild our operating system. It took us 2.5 years. And we've built quite a few applications and a very robust OS now. But now we realize processing or building models at the edge, for example, I'll give you an example of some of the use cases, monitoring and maintaining telecom network, for example, which will be much better to be done on the edge than on the cloud. Maintaining or monitoring or building model for IoT, so on and so forth. So there's a lot of use cases for AI at the edge. There was also a talk on NVIDIA and Microsoft talking about how to process AI from your computer, AI from your smartphone. So distribution of AI is happening, guys. It's definitely something that the big guys are talking about. There's a lot of room for opportunity in that space. It's going to be very difficult for Africa to compete on the AI space with the traditional data centers, with the big three. Actually, I should say the big four, because China is coming, man. China is or will be number one very soon, in technology at least. But edge infrastructure is still wide open. Nobody's dominating that space, and the demand for AI is going to keep increasing, but costs will increase too. So looking for much more affordable infrastructure will be the key for SME, and that's where we come in. So we'll keep posting some content, blogs on that spectrum. We're about to start our development in that space, but check out our website. Check out our blogs space on our website, where we talk a lot about this type of content. And if you have any question, if you want to hear some more specific topic, put it on the comment below, and looking forward. All right, guys, take care.